fucking time with all this.
What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It's Saturday. That means it's the weekend. You guys already know what that means. The weekend is where winners are made and the weekend is where empires are built. So today, let's talk goals. Let's talk six figures. Let's talk being busy, being productive. Let's talk all of those kind of things. But before we discuss those, I first want to tell you guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. You guys are subscribing. You guys are commenting and leaving some comments in there. Let me know what you guys want to see, just so I know that you guys have enjoyed the video. Obviously, recently we've not been getting enough likes and comments on the videos, so we need to increase that. Anyway, to get into what you guys came here to listen to, let's talk about setting reasonable goals for yourself. You can't make six figures if you haven't put in any of the hard work. You can't lose weight if you didn't change your diet or haven't done any of the exercise. You can't get out of debt if you keep buying unnecessary things. You want things to come? Be realistic and things will come. Talking about being realistic, let's say you want to lose weight and you want to make six figures and you also want to get out of debt. Let's say you want to do all of those things. Being realistic doesn't mean setting yourself 10 different goals to do in a day, 15 different tasks to do, and trying to do all of them, within the space of 24 hours. That, even if you get it done once, that's not easy to keep up with. That's not realistic. Don't be that person who tries to do 10, 15, 20 different things in one day. In a full day and you're trying to do so many different things, that's how you waste time. That's how you, lose focus. That's how you don't realize you're not actually doing anything. You're busy, but you're not productive. This is where that comes in. That is exactly where people confuse being busy and being productive. There is a huge difference between the two. I can't stress that enough. There's a massive difference between being busy and being productive. So I want to ask you now, are you being busy or are you being productive? One of the biggest mistakes people make is when they misunderstand the idea of being productive. They think because they're doing a lot of things that they're productive. That is not the case. Being productive is different from being busy in the way that being productive ensures that you progress. It makes sure that you gain, ground. Being busy is never going to make you be successful. Being busy doesn't guarantee success. Be productive, not busy. So, of course, a lot of people like to let people know what they're doing, that they've got no time to do anything else. They're hustling, they're putting in work, they're putting in effort, they're doing all these kind of things. That's great, but are you being effective? Are you being productive? That's what I want to ask you today. It is Saturday, so I know, you've got the group that are watching Netflix, chilling out, hanging out with friends, going to drink, going to party, all those kind of things. You've got the groups that are hustling, working hard for their goals, working extra jobs, putting in extra hours on stuff that they want to do, trying to make themselves have a better future. Now, it doesn't matter which group you're in, but if you're in this group that I'm talking about, this video is specifically for you guys. Why? Because a lot of you guys will want to get stuff done today. Will want to push harder for your goals, your dreams. You're going to, go out and run 10 miles. You're going to go and, put in 6 hours on your side hustle. But ensure that when you're doing those things, you are being productive. Not just that you're busy. Now, I like to, set small tasks to do daily. When I complete those, I know I'm on the right path to, achieving my goals. In the past, as you may or may not know, I've had days where I set 10, 12 different tasks to do. I do 6 of them, but they're more rushed. They're not fully focused. I don't really put my foot all into it. That is exactly what I'm talking about when I say being busy. So just like I talked about at the beginning of the video, when I talked about making 6 figures, if you want to make 6 figures, it's important to work hard, but it's important to work hard in the right way. That is the same when it comes to losing weight. There's no point going and running 15 miles out on your first day, 20 miles on your second day. Third day you do another 30 miles because you want to get fit, you want to get in shape, you want to, lose weight. You eat no food, you only eat salads, you only drink water. That's good that you start off that way. But unfortunately, even if you do that, yes, it is better than, eating junk and not going out to work, not going out to exercise. However, you still need to ensure that you're being able to continue that for a long time. A lot of people, like I said, want to get out of debt, but they keep buying unnecessary things. Okay, but then they cut back and they buy nothing. Well, you remember that you came from a lifestyle of buying unnecessary things. You can't just suddenly change to buying absolutely nothing. There needs to be a balance. Now, that's not to say go out and continue to spend money on food, continue to spend money on designer clothes, continue to spend money on luxuries. But it is saying, make sure that you don't have an extreme change in lifestyle because it's difficult to keep up. So the message today is really about being productive, focusing on that, and also focusing on setting reasonable goals for yourself. The two go hand in hand. If you want to be productive, you have to set reasonable goals for yourself. If you set reasonable goals for yourself, you will be productive. Just like I told you, every day I set out to do 3 to 5 different tasks, depending on how much time I have for myself. That is a lot better than the times when I used to set 10 to 12 different tasks. And quite frankly, it sounds nice when you write a list and say, I want to do this all today, but are you actually going to complete it? There's no point, setting all these goals and tasks and stuff you want to do in a day if you're never actually going to complete them. So I want to make sure that you guys are listening today. Make sure you guys understand what I'm trying to say. As always, my goal, my aim, my dream is to have at least one person become better each and every single day. Not only the days that I make a video, even days when I don't make a video. Every single one of you, I want you guys to get better. I want you guys to improve. I want you to become closer to financial freedom. I want you to become smarter. I want you to become closer to achieving your goals, achieving your dreams, taking a big risk, taking that next step in your life to elevate. A lot of people are going to watch these videos but not take action. A lot of people may watch these videos and get motivated and write a list of 20 different things they're going to do because they want to change their life, they want to do this and that. Don't get it mixed up. I want to make sure you guys are productive. I want to help you guys. So to help you guys, like I always said in the past, how do you execute, how do you push close to your goals? Just 3 to 5 tasks each day. That ensures that you become even 0.0001% better. And that's going to help you. That's all I want to say to you guys today. Be productive, not busy. Set reasonable goals for yourself and you will succeed. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys go out today and use my message to your advantage to help yourself get a better life. Make sure, like I said at the beginning of this video, you like, you subscribe, you share with your friends, because you never know who could help out. But that's it for today's video, guys. I've got one to making. You've got goals to be chasing. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.